you need to access your Moodle practice course. So make sure you're logged into Moodle and you go into your practice course. And the page we're going to learn how to edit is called My Profile. Now remember, you're logged in as a manager at this stage. So click on My Profile. And you'll see here you have an example of a page with a whole stack of information that you can fill in. So all you have to do is click on the Settings button, and you'll see that it opens up with a name, which is the name of the page. Now remember, you're editing this page, so you're basically creating the content that goes in this page. There is a description for the page, but you don't need to worry about the description at the moment. We'll go straight to the content. Now you can, as you can see, the content window is a little bit small, so you can leave it that size if you like, or you can click on this icon over here that will zoom open the content so it's much bigger, much easier to view. Now all you need to do is start filling this in. So we'll fill this in with my name, some paragraphs about me. Now none of this information has to actually be real or true. You can just make up any of this that you like. Quite simple. Fill in all the boxes. If you decide you want more than 5 things, you just press enter at the end of each list item and it will add a number onto the end, and you can continue that as much as you like. For a photo of yourself, you need to go to Unsplash. I'm going to go to unsplash.com. Search for a picture of a musician. There's one there. I'll use that one. That one's fine. I'm just going to grab the URL at the top and paste the URL in here because we're going to use that later. I need a favorite quote, so you can go and Google a favorite quote if you like, or if you know one, write it down. 5 pictures of my perfect holiday. I might go to Pixabay for this one. Let's go to Pixabay and find a picture of the beach. There we go. That's probably my perfect holiday. Let's grab that link and I'll put that in. Let's see if there's another one I can grab here. There's a few. That looks awesome. Now, because it's perfect holiday getaway location, this is my other perfect one as well. There we go. Yep. That would be a perfect holiday getaway. And my favorite websites, I can just go to those. Go to my website, ricochae.com.au. I'll paste that one in. Once I've got all of these things added, and we're not going to actually add the photos into the content yet. I'll show you how to do that when we get there, but we just need you to fill in all of this and we're going to use it all later on. And that's all you have to do at this stage. To get back to saving the page, click on toggle full screen up the top. This takes us back to our normal view. And we don't need to change any settings. The only one that I think you might want to change is go to activity completion and make sure it says students can manually mark the activity as complete. You can also have activity as complete when conditions are met, meaning that if they view the page, so you tick view, the students, it shows the page is complete when the student views the page rather than when they manually tick the page. So we're going to let you manually mark it at this stage, and we just click save and display. And we've now edited our first page. It's got my name on there. It will have the 5 things I've achieved, the photo of myself, and all of this other information in there, ready for me to use.